Computer. Boom. Welcome to another live trade session. What's going on, everybody? Okay, so market is open and I'm going to wait. I like to do the breakout strategy these days on the 5 minute. Yeah, and then convert it back to the 5 minute time frame. So that's what it's looking like over here. Over here. Oh, I gotta put the ASFX on. Then so looking at all of my lines. So I really like to look with like less stuff and then with everything on there. Does that make sense? Y'all. So that's gonna be what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a nice little morning because I got a Zoom at 11, so I ain't staying here long. Excuse me. I'm just saying, you get caught up in these charts. It'd be like 1 o'clock. Like,
You
wait
get
a minute.
caught up. You get caught up.
That's right. Are you still on the 5 minute, Davion, too?
Yep.
That's what's up. That's what works. That's what works. Okay, we're gonna check it back and forth between ES and yeah.
Oh, it's getting bloody out there.
You see it. Yeah, man. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. That's why, that'd be pressure. But yeah. You was logging in and out yesterday, Davion. I was like, okay.
No, my dang on internet. Man, look, I told Shells about it. That was the scariest thing that happened to me since I've been trading.
Oh
My
man.
whole power went off.
No.
Yes, and while I'm in a trade,
That,
like active live. I'm like, man, thank God I had a little stop loss on there, but
that is
it
scary.
ended up coming back on like 10 minutes later, and
Was it was it
I ended up it ended up going almost to my stop loss. By the time I came back, it was headed the direction I needed it to go. So I just averaged down a little bit and got a little profit and got up out of that joker. Won't he do it?
well,
Man,
hello? Yes, he will.
man. I mean, nothing
That's a
was
scary
working.
feeling though.
Phone wasn't working. I mean, internet wasn't work. I had, man, no clue what was going on.
Zero. Zero.
Yeah, I was logging in and out, then trying to get my sound working. Then I was trying to get you on one ear and felony in the other ear. You on the laptop and him on on the phone. So I was doing a lot.
Seems like I was doing a lot. I feel you.
Doing a lot.
Well, I'm glad you was able to. I'm waiting for the 15-minute breakout. So it's only 9:33. So at 9:45, that's when I get excited because I don't even do nothing no more. I'm not chasing nothing. We're gonna sit here
Right.
and be scary. And we learn our lesson. We must journal every trade. Let me get my journal out.
I'm chasing right now. I'm up $500, but I'm paper trade. Oh, I'm up $600. When I want to chase, I just paper trade. I don't do that junk.
In real life.
Yeah. Yeah, even if it's this successful, nope, I still ain't doing it.
Mhm.
Just wait
I'll-
till that setup comes and
That's it. That's where I'm at, waiting.
yeah, because because eventually it's gonna get you and it's gonna get you bad.
Yep. Especially with NQ. NQ do not play
Oh
around.
man, oh man.
Play around with the NQ. It'd be like, oh, you ain't want to wait? Oh, okay. I'm like, wait, no, I was just playing. Too late. Money gone.
Like go the same way.
Like, oh, damn.
Oh, you want to chase this candle, huh? Okay, gotcha,
All right.
gotcha.
Strategy. So write in my column. So in my journal, I have stop loss, entry, TP, strategy, mood, exit, and mistakes. Mood. Not that I be planning on making mistakes, but sometimes I do make them.
Mhm.
Exit and mistakes. Yep, I had to write some new columns. So we must
Yeah,
journal.
thinking.
Yes. Okay. Wait, take anything? Take. Let me see. 5:45. only 5 minutes, right? Why can't I say that? 25. Am I shit lagging?
Whoever went short at the open is eating right now.
Man, okay. 25. That is that what's going on? Um, it's just going nice and slow. Y'all see it? Above the view up. Now see, it hasn't touched. Oh, it did. Looking to see if it touched the support line down here, and it did, and it came back up. So it started. Let me see what the 1 hour. 1 hour. You on ES, David, or EQ?
Yep, yep. I was looking at ES,
You on
but
ES?
I just switched to NQ, but I did a little paper trade on ES.
Oh, I think it's going up from the looks of this.
Yeah, yeah. I just did a little out the gate when it went down. But it's at ES is at demand, and then it's at that what level is that? The 67, 68 level.
Uh-huh.
Yep, it's at that 67, 68 level, and it just hit 0.25 on the Fibonacci. But now I'm getting a breakdown indicator. Now my breakdown indicator going off, saying it's gonna break structure and uh,
Okay.
it keep fluctuating. It'll go up and go down.
And you said you switched back to NQ, so now you're on NQ.
I'm actually looking at both of them. I got three screens, so right now, so they doing the same thing. They kind of fluctuate. NQ is fluctuating at that 25, what, 200,
Uh-huh.
25, no, 25, 180. 25, 180, and it hit that 0.25 on the Filbo. So they look like they both want to go up. And
Okay.
gold is going up.
Right. Okay, right. So, wow. You see, I was just looking like, oh man. Okay. So, we're still waiting for the range, the first 15 minutes of the market, guys. That's what we're waiting on. Welcome in, everyone. 9:45. That's when I get excited. So we're just literally sitting here. Uh, uh, we are waiting. We're exercising our patience. I told him yesterday, I said, if you're not a patient person, then trading is not for you.
Man, patience will save your brain and your pocketbook.
Come
Just
on,
wait.
somebody.
Yep. So I done been impatient too many times.
Right. They may make an
And
impulse
man, look,
move. We all done it. That's why I journal, so I don't do that no more.
so you like 15 minutes. I'm like, okay. That's out, man. Sometimes I'll wait an hour.
Yeah, I'm saying until I like really start getting excited. Like I'm not excited right now until that
Mhm.
rain forms.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just like, yeah, it might be an hour. You're right. I'm saying
Yep.
like, until I start looking for setups because I'm now on this screen, I like to look at the overall trend and see, okay, the hourly is bullish, the
Mhm.
daily is bearish, and the 4 hour is bearish. So getting mixed signals here. So it's a lot of
Mhm.
conflict going on. And yes. So now um 242, the resistance. Now, see, that's why I like to check on this. Uh-oh, look like it's going down. See? Uh-oh,
Ooh,
look
that
at
was
that.
a big push. That was a
You see
big
it?
push.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, it just hit this
So
little
this is when you start drawing your range. When that third one closed, that's when you start drawing yours.
Yep. Yep, it is.
Okay.
Yep, it is.
I'm gonna draw
Yep.
mine with you once that one closed.
235. Wow. Look at that. Keep going. Keep going. That thing is drippy. 206. I think it's gonna go down to 206. Yeah, right to the CRT. Look, watch. Right here. It's gonna go right there. Let's watch it. Shall we? Boom. Right there. That's the next stop. That's the support level. Look at it. Falling. Falling. Now, how would you have known that? Because that looked like it was going up with that high right there. It's going right back to the CRT low. Under the VWAP. You see the rising volume. So you always gotta look at
What?
the units.
That's NQ
Yeah.
25213. 25.
I
What am I
said
looking at?
206, the low right here. The low, the low.
25206.
Yeah, that's where the CRT is at. And that's the pre-market low as well. So it's definitely about to smash that. Boop. Right to the demand. Falling. Now, you know what? Watch this.
What the hell is going on? Why
What
is
the hell?
mine going
Hold
right?
on. I'm gonna do where the thing at? Oh, okay, here. Oh my god. I'm gonna go right to this level here. Boom. That's what I would say. But okay, boom. Everything is pointing down. You see the confluence, see the little MACD red dot pointing down. That is pointing down. It's under that purple line. So it's like, okay, that yellow line will be where I would say it shall go. From there. And I would wait. Take this one. Send it. Bam. Oh. Let's watch it right quick. Look at that. Ain't that nuts? Fucking nuts. Wowzers. It's gonna break that demand. Break the demand, come right to the yellow line. That's where my TP is at, right there. It's just gonna go. Them sellers is pushing. I see them. They pushing. Pushy, pushy. Pushy, pushy. All right. Don't you go back up now. We gotta talk to it. But I know it's gonna break through that demand too. Look. So three
This
bar
on
play.
this on the 5 minute.
Yep. Three bar play. Boom. That's my favorite. Y'all already know. Three bar play. This flip bearish, right? The MACD is pointing all the way down. Okay, let's look at the confluence. Let's look at the TDI. And the TDI just crossed the damn yellow line. So I'm highly confident this is gonna go to this next yellow line. And it is well on its way. Well on its way. Well on its way. Whoa. It's there, my nigga. Holla
Man,
for
why
the
is mine?
dollar. Holla for the motherfucking dollar. Holla for the motherfucking dollar. I'm just saying.
Say that again.
Nope. Not saying it. Not saying it. Not saying it. One more time. 25, 180. Next target. Right here. Hello. Hello. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Everybody get excited now. Everybody get excited. It's going to touch that 25, 180. Like Felony say, low of day. 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 Period. Okay, that pressure is pressuring. You see it? Like, look at it. Boom. Hello. Did it not smash that? I'm just saying. Did it not smash it? I'm out of there. Damn. See ya. Wouldn't want to be Look, right to the target. Like, you can't make it up. Look, and then they're going to go back up. See, got out at the right time. Come on, snipers. Come on, snipers. Wowzers. Now, was that marvelous or what? I'm just saying. Look at that. And it's still going. Nigga, my indicator popping out. Bam. It must be some news. Let me check this news. Oh, y'all, we forgot to check the news. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Becky, oh, it's not until, wait, 10 o'clock? No, not yet. Okay. This petroleum status, Fed business inflation expectations. That's until 10 o'clock. I don't know. Is Trump tweeting or something? Because this, wowzer, whoa. That is knucking futz. I'm just saying. Wow. Is that beautiful? Damn it. Beautiful. I went right to the PM low. Now it's going back up. That was bananas. You see that volume? You see that volume? Rising volume. We gotta look at the confluence here. Look at the confluence. Woo! So that thing, okay. So let's look back at what just happened, right? Because we're recording. So that was crazy. That was crazy. All right. So let's look at it. Let's look at it with a microscope. All right. So closed. Wait a minute. First of all, let's go back here for when it really all started happening. Because now, all right. So when the 20 and the 50 cross, this is what I did yesterday. That's why I'm gonna start doing layering confluence, right? This is the setup right here. Confluence one. 20 and the 50 cross, right? And then the EMAs cross under the VWAP, right? The 20 and the 50 under the VWAP. Okay, VWAP is the red line. That is number 2. Boom. And then you had, what else do I see? Once the candles went under there, it hit the London low, which is right here. Still respecting this trend line. So let's extend this. Yeah, right? Still respecting the trend line. So it went up, right? Went up, made a high. Because I thought this was about to go up. But why? Because of this high. But check it out. Davion, you killing me. Then it broke and retested the 200 EMA right here. Boom. That was the signal. It went down, made the London low, passed the Asia low, came back up above the VWAP at the 200. We're just looking at what's going on here, Davion. And then C3, boom, break, retested that, and retested that 200 again. Once that second retest hit that 200, lights out. See you later. Bye-bye. And then, meanwhile, on the 1 hour time frame, you got a 3-bar continuation play because this was bullish. I don't know y'all was paying attention, but then that mug just flipped red. Boom. Flip red, right? It flipped red. And then it target 1 was here. That was what the demand was, and it went right to the next target. Like what I said, 25,180 was the next target. And that's where it went. So right now, it is pulling back. It is pulling back with this 3-bar play still in motion. That was absolutely beautiful. Yes. That was absolutely beautiful. Anybody else agree or no? Everybody on crickets today? Oh, all right, cool. Bells, are you still there? Driving?
Jose.
You crack me up, yo. Jose. Who's that? I was just saying. All right. Wowzers. Okay, so, yep, it's going to go right back here. This is my prediction. It's going to come right back to that 50 EMA. Watch. I just be doing stuff to see if I'm right. With that big old candle like that, I bet you that's what it's gonna do. Now let me see. Now, why would I say that? Because it made a low. And most lows always go back to the 50 EMA. Shall and then when my little indicator popped out right there, that just took the cake from me. That took the cake from me. Beautiful. Why this action ain't do this yesterday? We was stuck yesterday. But oh well, it happens. And those two, oh, is it gonna go back down? So y'all know I be like in the box joint too sometimes. I just be drawing the box. So I draw the box around the structure point sometimes for my girl, her trading journal. You can check her out on Instagram. She's pretty dope. I got this box strategy from her. It's basically wait on the break and retest out the box. And that joint works like clockwork. On the right setup. It doesn't work all the time, but it's cool to try it. You know, when you're just looking and waiting. Type vibe. Type vibe. So basically, like you draw up the structure point, the structure point candle, and then you wait for a breakout on one, and you want it to come back, and then do a retest. And after the retest candle, that's when you enter for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio on the long position, which is this. So let's just say if it was here. So you see how when you click it, it says 1, and you're risking 11% for 11%. So that would be your entry here, and then you would say you want to take your money like right there. If you was to do it, but once the recess happens. But I'm predicting it's gonna go to that 50. But I'm seeing what's happening. What's happening? What's happening? Boom. Then we just calm down. So we got 2 minutes on this candle. And see, that's why I like the 5 minute. It's much more calm. 1 minute, have your adrenaline racing. Ooh, let's check out that 1 minute though. That is a good cheat sheet though. See, the 50 is over here on the 1 minute. Look what's happening here. Boom. So, oh, well, my box on the 1 minute, so that was a break. This comes back. Oh, 3 bar play on the 1 minute. Interesting. And 50 is lower on the 1 minute. Okay, I just like to peep it out sometimes. But nevertheless, on the hourly, it is still bearish, bullish, bearish. Boom. So, yep, look, going right there. Right there. Let's look a little closer, shall we? Bam. Mm-hmm. Up a little more. Up a little more. And we're waiting for a lower high to form to go back down. To go back down, to go back down. Alrighty. We gonna see. Hold on a second. Alrighty. We are going. Yep. Yep. Did it wicked? Did it wicked? Let's see. Let's see. Did it wicked? Yep. Sure did. Okay. I was right. Whoop whoop. Bam. Touch right on it. I can't make it up. See? That's normally what it does. But it didn't come back to retest the box though. So I mean it could, but I don't know. And look, the 1 hour is flipping bullish. Well, it's kind of indecisive now because it just swiped back all that liquidity that they put out. So right to the 50 EMA, like it always does. Yeah. So that's looking cute. I don't see the lower high yet. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Nope. That was a crazy candle, man. What? So now, oh, high probability setup. So under 206. That was the number, 206. So under 206, you got these candles, which is giving like a tweezer bottom vibe here. And then boom, boom, boom. Once it comes under, let's look on the hourly and see for real, for real. Yep. Yeah. Beautiful. So under the CRC low, high probability setup. Can anyone tell me where this is going? I'm just saying. Come on, class. Come on, let's work on our predictions. Uh, everybody's just gonna be quiet, like shit. I don't know. You took my class, you know. I'm just let y'all sit back and watch. Like they do it. Cause if I come actually come back down, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. That thing is drippy, drippy. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh, this flipping back bearish. Flipping back bearish. Flipping back bearish. We gotta be patient. Right, Shelf? Oh my God. Oh goodness. Man. They talk about it. All right, we exercise.
Can't see
Okay.
the screen because I'm driving. I'm like 15 minutes away from home. So I'll mute
Okay.
myself because all this noise, the wind in the background. But I hear you.
You hear me? Okay. I bet you can't see.
Yes.
I see what you're
I,
saying.
I'm hearing you, but I can't see the screen that you're using.
Oh, I got you. Okay. No worries. You focus on the road. You focus on the road. No worries. All right. So this could be doing one or two things because I don't see a lower high. So market structure, right? So this could just be coming back to retest the box, right? So it also could be coming back to make a 3-bar play, which I'm going to see what I shot with because we're still in the range. So hold on. Oh, I can draw up the range now. It is, hold on. And on here, let's see, I drew that up thinking that's going to go up, and clearly the market had other plans. So let's erase that. So breakout strategy, right? So crazy. 930, 935, 940, the high and the low of the first three candles. Breakout. We're gonna erase this so we don't get confused. Okay. And I'm gonna write it. So we know where the resistance is. Oh, I did not spell that right. Okay. Move it over here. And then this is the support. So if the price breaks support, y'all already know another entry is coming. Another entry is coming. So we're gonna watch it. Right? We got support, we got resistance. I'm gonna do the same thing on NQ. This is ES. I'm gonna do it here. And that's why I'm trying to see that. But I'm gonna do it here. 930. Oh, wait. 935. 935. 940. All right. First tree candles. Support and resistance. We got the range of the market. Resistance. Okay. Bet that up. The breakout strategy is crack, man. I don't know why people be fronting on it. But listen here. It pays mortgages and rent and car notes and vacation trips and birthday parties. Okay. It didn't want to come down to the box here. So now at this point, we watch and wait. That's what we're doing. So the volume is low. Oh, damn. Netflix missed their earnings? Okay. Wall Street futures muted Netflix results put investors on guard. Oh man. Netflix disappoints. Oh, folks mad at Netflix. I'm just want to be nosy, see what it's doing right quick. They probably dripping today, huh? Ooh, bad. Ooh, look at that. Holla. Yeah. Them folks is upset, honey. Look at it. They is pulling out. They is not feeling the Netflix vibe. Mm. Damn. That don't look good. Netflix is not Netflix and no Netflix and chill for them investors. They pulling out on
With
their ass.
Netflix? What
Huh?
happened with Netflix? They didn't make their earnings?
Nope. Failing.
Oh,
8% pays for largest percent decrease since March data top. They collected my $15.99 every month. Netflix is maintained at overweight by Wells Fargo. Investors await Tesla earnings. Dow slips. Wall Street Journal. Uh-huh. Year 4 minutes ago. 8%. Yeah. I don't know. Let me see where the next thing they can go. So their next stop will be right here. Boom. I'm just saying 11:05. So I'm gonna add this to the list and come back and see if I'm right. Okay. Boom. Got a higher low, but tap and retest the line here. Looking pretty drippy to me. Might be a little slick play right quick. Netflix is out of there. That's why you like to read the news, you know what I'm saying? Back to the regular scheduled program. Drippy. Netflix. Them folks upset. Look at it. They mad. They pulling their money out. I can't. See ya. Wouldn't it be? There's a lower high. Okay. Now we cooking with grease. We cooking with grease. We cooking with grease. The lower high is in the building. But it never came back down to, oh, it's going up here. Okay. Watch. To the CRC high. Pink line. I said that when it was down here, but okay. So why do I say that? Because high probability setup. CRT low, if the candlestick out of it, is going right to the CRT high. That's normally what happens. And it's a 3-bar play. Yep, it's about to stretch right there. It's gonna stretch up there. Let me move my little thingy out the way. Because that's what I would say. Let's see. It's still kind of red. Oh yeah, let me check these out. Okay, nothing crazy on the divergence tip. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just gonna tap this line here and then probably drop back down crazy. Because now it's above the VWAP. It broke and retested the VWAP. See that there? Uh-oh. 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 Yeah. Yep. Watch. It's definitely it's right to the high. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it is at right there. For 290. I just said that. See? Boom. 290. Just want to touch it. 290. 290. I'm gonna go right back there. 960. Hold on. Yep. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Bam. How do I know? What do I know? Okay, so the MACD is green. This never came back. Pre-bar play. Okay. And this green line just touched the yellow line and it's over the 50. So that's why I was like, okay. But it is pulling back now. Don't want to be part of that. So we're gonna get out. but I do believe it's gonna hit that line. Just copy that. So this box is not going to be relevant anymore. Boom. And boom. So we could just look at shorts. All right. So I'm going to remove these trend lines. Okay, so we're focused here on resistance and support. That's what we're focusing. Boom. All right. So 3-bar play, right? It didn't come back to test the box. It was supposed to make a lower high. Let's see, it made a low. We got a little bit of rising volume there in the high. So maybe the high wants to pull back and make a higher low and then go up. I'm with it. And this it's 10 o'clock. Okay, yeah. New hourly candle is bullish. And what was that news again? 10 o'clock Fed business inflation expectations and petroleum status report at 10:30. So that means at 10:30, when you see that red star over there like that means it's gonna be some drippage in the market somewhere. I don't know who Alberto is, and yeah, all this other stuff. But 10:30, mark my words, something gonna be drippy like this. Something gonna be drippy. See what I mean? Even 10:30, they just bugging. I'm like, whoop. Alrighty. So now you can draw the box the other way. So let's see here. Let's see here. Come back a little bit. Come back. All right. So now we watch and wait. So those was our little computer for the downside. Boom, boom. You got a 3-bar play up here. So what I'm waiting for now is a higher low. So we got a high. Next structure point is a higher low. Now, if it doesn't make a higher low and it retests the resistance with a bullish candle, then I'll look to get in to go up, because now that the range is set of the market, the resistance is support, which is the 15-minute range, then I'll look to go up. But on a bullish candle higher than the higher low, 1 or 2 on a bullish candle that retests resistance that's higher than the retest candle. So just waiting for one of those two things to happen. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my smoothie. Get my smoothie. Wait, I'm gonna mute so you guys don't hear my machine. It's kind of loud, you know. Feel free. Alrighty. What we got? What we got? Oh. Oh. All right. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Waiting for that higher low. Up. I said or retest the resistance. They give us another 3-bar play. 3-bar play is bullish, bearish, bullish. If they give us another one, bullish, bearish, bullish. Okay. Boom. Yeah. 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 25,290. Back where I said it's going. Yeah, because that's the CRC high. So once again, the candles was under the CRC low. When it does that, straight to the CRC high. Period. It happens every time. That's why I love the high probability setup. I was in it, but they wanted to pull back first and then go back up. That's cool. I hopped my butt outside of there. Okay, 3-bar play is looking to retest resistance. Alrighty. So back to the line where I originally said it's going to go right up here. Boom. Let me look. I check the confluence later. Boom, boom. Is it pointing up? Is it pointing up? Hourly candle is bullish. 3-bar play is bullish. MACD is bullish. Above the 50 line is bullish. See what it do. All right. And put my stop loss down here. Small stop. And you can watch. This is I like to watch the boxing match over here. The Bulls and the Bears gonna fight. And see now this is a 3-bar play here. Bullish, bearish, bullish. Which means continuation goes up. Because whatever the oh sorry, yeah, okay. Whatever the hourly candle is going, the 5-minute candle is going out. That's why I like to watch it. 465. I gotta put it under here. How the hell that happened? I don't know. That's kind of weird. But okay. Okay. Let's see what it do, what it do, what it do. What it do, what it do. All right. Come on. But then he going back flat now. What's going on? He's starting to curve. Like, what? Oh, that's why it put, oh, okay. Well, had to change your heart. So I guess it does want to come down and make a higher low. That's fine. And this just flipped back bearish. So he maybe changed his mind. You gotta be careful. Be careful. So the under okay, it's playing though. It still got 1 minute and some change on this candle. So they really fighting. Y'all see this match over here? This the boxing match. You see more red, see more blue. Because at the high and lows, it'll always be serious. But at the lower highs and higher lows, you already know. So look like them sellers trying to push. They trying to push it down. I know, but it's all good. So the daily is bearish. The 4-hour is bearish. And the 1-hour is trying to make up its mind. So it's a little bit of conflict of interest here. The low is still at 172 on the 15-minute and the 1-hour. And you see the low on the 1-minute is 190. Interesting, right? I always felt that interesting. Oh, actually, no, it's 172. They all on. Okay. I had to move the screen over. Okay, no worries. Boom. Let me see here. There. Okay. Yeah, okay. So they align. I got the same, 172.25. So that's where it has the potential to come back to. And then this line here, 288, is where I said it was going to go. Actually, it touched that at 288. So at 288, this is right here. Oh yeah, at this high, basically. That's another resistance level. Not the range resistance, but resistance because it rejected right there and pushed back down. So now we're waiting for a higher low. It didn't want to retest this resistance line with a bullish candle. So it's going to come here and make a higher low is what I'm predicting. And then that, and if it starts pushing back up after a higher low, then we're like, okay. So we're just watching right now. Let me see what ES is going. the other twin is consolidating. So okay, I can't keep up. The hourly candle is confused, giving out dojis and things. I don't know, but it is under the VWAP. Broke, retest bearish, broke, retest bullish, retested bullish, and under the VWAP, under all three of the EMAs, so that looks like it could go down. So just rule of thumb, while it's trading in between the range, which is the resistance and support, is just like trying to give a definitive direction because like for me, it's not really bullish until it passed resistance, and it's not really bearish until it passed support. So all this crap in the meantime, between time, is dilly dally. Waiting for a definitive direction. It's confused, so it's looking bearish over here. Like, okay, trying to figure it out. Next stop for ES is 6768. Let me see this confluence, but that might be a quick little scout right quick. That is looking bearish. It is. But this one had to be pointing down, not up. See how it's pointing up? You want it to point down. You want that to point down, not up. So that don't look good. It still look confused. But this white dotted line is yesterday's close. So another rule of thumb, if the candles are under yesterday's close, bearish sentiment, above yesterday's close, bullish sentiment. So it's kind of like the line in the sand type vibe. Let me see where they at on here.
If it's under yesterday close,
Yeah, if it's under yesterday's close, bearish sentiments. Yes, ma'am. Yesterday's close. Yesterday's close. That's why I like have it on my line, on my chart. Why I keep saying it? All right, we get it. Yeah, yesterday's close. See the white dotted line and then the close. Yeah, but I think it's gonna push up to here though. I still think that, but it still haven't given us a higher low either. So kind of like, what we doing? What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? I don't know what we doing. It doesn't know what we doing. Come here, Pooh. My bugaboo cat. Come here. All right. See, this is consolidating. Consolidating means trying to figure out like, are we going up? Are we going down? Just trying to figure it out. So see what the 1 minute is doing. 1 minute, okay, it's above the yesterday's close. Okay, respected demand, popped off that, right? And then 1 minute is giving a lower high, but it's under the 800, which is right here, this blue EMA. Under the 800, bearish. Under that, bearish. But lower high, bearish. This, bullish. So it's conflicting at the moment. So it's like, trying to figure life out right now. And okay. That's ES. So it's giving a lower high. Okay, so back to NQ. Okay. NQ look like it wanna go up, low key. Like, up, but it's making it lower high. Okay, so look. On the 1 minute, it's rejecting the 800. This blue EMA here. So it's above it, made a low. Drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. But if it's rejecting the 800, that means it want to go back down. Because this is like the president of the United States. The 200 is like the granddaddy. The Aka, the 50 is like the daddy. So if it can't get past here, yeah, it wants to go back down. So 5 minute, ooh, okay. Is it gonna make a higher low? But this is a 3-bar play here. It's continuation to the downside. Then you got the 1 hour candle that flip bearish on you right quick. Because I don't know. This is, and then on the 5 minute, the 800 is down here. So It's a lot of conflicting going on here. And this is where your patience come in because you gotta wait till your eyeballs see what they want to see, and I don't see it yet. So it's not breaking resistance. Uh, Come over here. How'd you get over there? I don't know.
Yeah, this chop will eat you up
Man, come on,
if
child.
you
Oh,
just jump. If you jump in,
no, 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 no. But look at that though. Higher low. I said it. We're waiting on the higher low. There it is. Okay, so, but sometimes the higher low can turn into a low on your end. You gotta just be patient. But that 3 bar play looking, I don't know. So that's to be patient. Got to be patient. Okay. Higher low. Because the women is the cheat sheet, you know. So they made a lower low already. Okay. This is a good cheat sheet. Yeah, okay. Boom. Now lower low, so you to go lower. Means it might pop back up. But this crazy rise in volume here is like a heavy push, rejected supply, push. Look. It's dropping
NQ
low.
looking like it definitely wants to go lower. What you think?
Ooh. It's given a higher low. I think it does want to go lower. So I think it's going to
Hmm.
hit the Asian low right here, right
Okay.
here, and then possibly the London low. But I'm gonna draw the fib up because underneath the 786, bye-bye
Hmm.
uptrend. Let me draw that up right quick. Because that always is a great tool to use. Boom. So if it closes underneath here, right? Actually, close underneath the 800, rappy. So, but just in case it does want to go up, I'm gonna draw a line here and a line here. Just in case. Just in case. All right, and this is a 50. All right, I just don't like all these daggone lines. It be driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. I'm gonna turn that yellow. So I know that's the 50 on the fib. And then here, under the 800. So if it closed underneath this 800 EMA, bye-bye uptrend.
ES get ES getting weak too. ES getting real weak.
Oh, yeah.
I think this thing about to.
This thing gonna hit that 6768 line, yeah. So now, if it passed the man,
Hmm.
it's gonna come to this support. So then, like I said, under support is where you're gonna take puts at. Like in between the range, I really don't like trading in between it like that. Because it's not a definitive direction, it's just some quick scalping. But it's gonna come back down to support. But it never made a lower high, which is super weird. So it could be making a W, it could come down and break this demand. Because see, it wick the man, and never close underneath it. So it could bounce off of it and go back up, or it could come down here and touch this support level. So, but look at the volume, rising volume. Wherever you see rising volume of the same color, that is a strong push.
Yeah, I'm
So,
loading. I'm
you load?
loading.
Oh, you loaded?
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay.
I'm gonna go light though. I'm gonna go light. I ain't
Okay. Listen.
like they say.
Your
I ain't trying to
eyeballs
bet the
go.
farm.
Right, right. Okay, 13 seconds on this candle. So if this next candle open bearish and closes underneath the 800, yeah, it's going to support, period. Mm, mm. Woo.
Yeah, this
Oh,
up,
yep. Look
up.
at it. Look at it. Look. Oh, look at it. Look at it. High and low get lower. I said it. It closed underneath. That's going to turn into a low.
I'm gonna wait because I'll be shorting into demand.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
but
wait till it breaks that what's that white line on that VRVP?
on the
That
what?
that VRVP, the VAL line.
The
That's
red
at the
one?
bottom of the
This one?
on the. Let me see. You probably got yours a different color. Yeah, the one that's at
In the
the
middle?
support line, the support one.
Oh, what about
Yeah.
it?
So once it break through there, is when I'll probably
Oh,
get in.
172. Yeah,
Yeah.
172.
You on 172. Yep, yep. I think that's what you were saying. Wait till it break through that it broke through the 800. Now I got to get past that demand.
Well, it wicked the 800. It didn't close underneath it. And that's where the 786 was on the fib. That's what I was saying. If it closed underneath the 786, bye-bye uptrend. You know what I'm saying? I don't fool with
Ooh.
it.
Oh
But
yeah, it wick back above it.
yeah, so and it's a
Now
higher
it's
low,
showing
so it's
some
to go
weakness.
lower. You know what I'm saying?
So
So
it's weak. It's weak.
it's definitely weak. Let's see what the 1 minute is on. Look at our cheat sheet. Going back up, lower low,
Mm.
go lower. So yeah, it didn't want to come down to test this demand down here. So, which means, okay, hold on. Which means it wants to push back up. Now, because it didn't, so this is the 50 on a Fibo. Let me write that down. I'm like, why you got that crazy long yellow line? That's the 50 on the Fib. Why did I get it? Okay.
Oh, there it go. It
Yeah.
capitulated. Damn,
Yep.
right to the .25.
On AQ?
Yep.
Mm.
It went right to that white line. It just tanked once it broke through that 180 level. Damn, I missed that. I'm not gonna get in now. Damn.
You ain't talking about AQ. What you talking about?
Yeah, I'm at NQ
On the 5 minute?
on the 5 minute.
Oh,
Like
okay.
that's what I was saying. Like our charts were kind of doing different things.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's what I was saying from the beginning when you first started. Like I don't know if there's a delay, but right now NQ is at 25,150. Is yours at 21? I mean 25,150.
Mm. 150. No, it said,
Yeah,
okay.
mine is
You
at
know,
twenty
maybe
five
the
one
real
five
time
zero.
data. I gotta check on that. Maybe a good
Yeah,
point.
because that's why I was asking what chart you on at the beginning. It's like,
Oh,
yeah, yours was a little, it was different from mine. Like NQ just tanked. It just tanked. It's at the low. It got the Kermi
sure.
on the red TTM.
Okay, hold on. Let me look at 1 second. Nope. I just wanted like a regular trading view.
This
Hold
thing is tanking.
on. Okay, hold
But I'll take that. That was a good read of the market for me. I'll take that as a win.
on. I think I'll take it as a win. Hold on. I'm trying to see about the real time data. Um, but I'll do it later. Okay, I'll do it right now. But yeah, so you're saying on your chart on NQ, it attack.
It's straight capitulation right now. This
Oh
thing is at
wow, I
twenty
see it.
five
No, I see it.
118. Like, and that's what I was talking about. Once it broke through that 800, like you said,
Yeah,
it
boom.
just went to the floor. Went to the floor.
So mine is looking crazy. Okay, because I'm looking at QQQ, and QQQ don't fail. Yep, and underneath
Yeah, to the
100,
yep. It just once it broke that, that's why I was like, okay,
that's 25. Okay, let me look. Oh, might be some slight delay. Interesting. Okay, so that means my
what I usually do to fix that, I usually log in the Tradeovate I mean, log in the get out of paper trade and log into your Tradeovate, then it'll refresh it to real time.
okay, let me do that.
Because that's what I had to do on Sunday nights. Because I don't know why it does that. I have to log into my Tradeovate and then I'll log back into my paper trade and it kind of refreshes it or something. Just from what I noticed.
Okay, so let me do that. So hold on, y'all. 1 second. Um, Exit full
That
screen.
thing tanked, man. I'm taking that next time because
Okay. I'm
I
getting on
saw that coming.
straight away. Hold on a sec. I got to go and it might be the do you got the real time data on your trading view too?
Yep. And what happens is when you log in through your like TradeAway like a live account, they make sure it's live. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's because you got to have real time data. So that's usually what works for me when
Okay,
it's
so
a
that's what I'm
delay
about to
on
do right
Sunday
now.
because
I'm
they can't give you delayed data.
no, 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 no. Okay, so that's why
Oh
I'm
my
logged.
God, this thing's still on the floor. Oh my goodness.
So hold
I'm
on, you're
not-
not using TradingView, no.
yeah, I'm on TradingView. Yeah, but he
Oh,
said because
Yeah, we're
my
just trying to figure out the delay. Something we don't know. Something weird is just going on. I ain't never seen this happen
okay.
when you was live trading before, Mo.
right. So
It's,
yeah, something is ah
It might be. Try restarting your stuff, MuMu.
yeah. Let me see what's going on here. Now I'm on TradeAway now, so I'm going over add-ons. Ah, it say activate. Ain't that crazy?
I had to reactivate mine too. I had to reactivate
Yo,
mine 2 days ago.
in the
It
order
had kicked
flow.
out my account. Yep, it had kicked out
Yeah.
my account.
Okay, thank you for that.
Remember that had happened to me too.
Yep. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to refresh it.
Yep.
Okay,
Let's see if
that's
it.
crazy. Okay, boom. Good looking out on that. All right.
Cause that's why you was first trade. I'm like, hold up.
You're like, hold
I
on,
already
son.
seen what she did. I'm like, that's why I'm like, what time frame you using? You using a 5 minute? I was like, okay, just sit back and watch.
Okay, right. So now let me see if I refresh.
That'd be
Hold
crazy
There you
though.
go. There you go.
on. Okay.
That's it. Cause that's the tank.
No, NQ looks still
Oh,
delayed.
NQ still the same.
Yeah, hold on. Either side. Last year. Uh, that is not. Wait, it's the. It's supposed to be looking like QQQ, like that.
Yep. It's supposed to be looking like that, and
Yeah, it's supposed to
it's two
look.
bars
Wow.
behind.
Ah, I
It's two
see
bars
that.
behind.
Crazy. It is. So wait, look at the time. So let's say 10:30. It's 10:30.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's full. 10:25. Let me see on NQ. This is 10:20. Yeah, there is some type
Ten
of
twenty.
nutty. Nutty, nutty, nutty. Nutty, nutty,
But you
nutty.
still, even though it's mine, you still called that play when you saw it though.
I mean, I
That first one.
did.
That first one. Hey, it was just on your time. But
I
that
mean,
joker,
yeah, it's
man.
like I don't know. Let's see. If it's gonna trade in real time like that, I'm gonna see. Maybe I don't know. Well, I switched it, but we'll investigate it later. Let me see if it's gonna go down there. I'm just trying to see if it's already in real time or is it going to like do some crazy shit. Oh, why did it do that? Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Okay, probably because it's already there. Okay, I think something was up. Let me see. Weirdo. Okay, it already went. Okay, probably lower. Okay, you know what? Just set it and forget it. So why did it say that? That's the part I'm not understanding. Okay, yeah, something's definitely up. I don't know. So what is it doing on PPP? Is it going back up? No, it's still going lower.
No, it's still TTM is just on it's still on Kermit.
Yeah, right?
It's like on his second, it's on his third Kermit now on the red. So this
Okay,
thing
right.
probably
So, okay, wait. I'm so confused. Okay, new CRC low down here. Okay, I think I have to do the real time data. Right? Okay, the video doing the same thing. Okay, hold on. That's
ain't no
crazy.
break. Yeah, them brakes be serious. Once they hit them brakes, it just tank.
Let's see, I wonder
And
why
it's going lower. Mm.
something's going on. Okay, let me just wait. I'm gonna try to go ahead and do the real time data. Hold on. Real time. Yeah, because it's supposed to look like QQQ, like that. It is so QQQ is real.
Yep, that's how mine look. That's how my NQ look, just like
Yeah,
that.
it looks like that. Exactly. So it
Yep.
is like two behind. Okay. So I'm gonna go into hold on, exit full screen to make sure I got the real
Or
time
you can
data.
trade QQQ until if you want to look at it later.
No. I'm gonna I did go to Tradeovate and update it, but that was crazy.
Okay.
Um and then let me log out of there. And then try to see if I have the real time data on my thing on my account. How do you get out of there? Account. Sorry for the late people. I didn't realize that. But good looking out on that. Okay, cool, cool. How do you get out of here? Okay. I'm looking. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. That real time data is very importante. All right. Show help center. Let's see. Real time. Okay. Okay. Hey. Show offer. Okay. Next. Delay. Oh. Okay. It said if you got a D next to it, that means
Hmm.
delay. Oh, so let me check my joint and see if I got a D. Oh, yeah. You see it? You
Where's
see
it
it
at?
over here on the right?
Oh, yeah, you clicking though.
Yeah, hold on,
So can
son.
you type in? Can you go to the box to the left and type in the one without the D?
That's what I'm trying to see right quick. Hold on.
Yeah, go.
NQ. Uh, wait a minute.
There's still a D up there.
Right, let's go on here. NQ. Oh, that's what that D means. So maybe, yeah, that means I don't have the real time data. Okay. Wait a minute. Who that? You is bugging me. This is the wrong time. Okay, and that's the only NQ it is, right?
Yep.
NQ. Who that?
So go up
Okay,
to
so
the top left and see that where that D is at top left. See if you can unclick it. I don't know if you can up to the top left. Top left.
oh,
Right? Yeah, and no, and in the box under that. Now go to the right.
okay.
See that D? Yeah, right.
Oh
See
yeah.
if it's something you can change or
By 10 minutes because of exchange requirements to get real-time data for please buy. Okay. It's I
they
have
want
to.
you to upgrade. Yeah, they
Okay. You know what's crazy? I thought I had up to paying $7 a month for it. That's crazy.
I mean,
Uh,
yeah, I ain't never seen it delayed on your line.
Great. Me either. Okay.
But QQQ and all other stuff
Hold on.
seems like it's real time.
So hold on. You gotta pay an additional $7 to trade to where?
To do the real-time data. Hold on.
For which I can't see your screen. So
Yeah, I stopped sharing it because I'm about
what
to.
platform though?
That's for futures. Because if you
No,
have
what
a
is it?
D
Tradeovate or is it Trading View? Is it Apex? Where you gotta pay the extra $7 to?
on Trading View,
On Trading View. So what
yeah.
level do
So
you
what
have? I thought you
happens?
had premium.
Hold on, it's $7. So hold on.
Yeah.
It's
So what happens?
I'm gonna screenshot it and put it in the chat. The real
Right,
term,
that worked. What you were
yeah.
saying, Davion?
So they did that to me one time when I was paper trading. And when I logged into my Apex account, when I switched from paper trade to Apex account, it updated to real time. I didn't have to pay the $7 because if you, because I'm trading through a broker, they had to give me real time. That's just what I don't know if it was a glitch I was experiencing, but that was the only time I experienced it. Like on a Sunday around 5:30, everything was, slow.
That's a
And
good
then
point.
I logged
Yeah,
in
made me go home and look at mine because now I'm
in the
curious.
train
Right.
in the trading panel. I logged out of paper trading and I logged into TradeAvate. I logged into my Apex account through TradeAvate and it refreshed to real time data. I ain't had a
Okay, so
problem
let me
since.
try
So I
that.
don't know if it's a refresh. Yeah, I don't know. Did
So
you see how you
what
had
are
to
you
log
trading
in?
with, Momo?
You see how you had to log in to TradeAvate? Maybe all the systems need a refresh or something.
Yeah,
You
it
know,
does.
maybe
That's what I'm
yeah,
I'm logged in under my regular and the Apex because under both of them, when you go on Tradeovate and do add-ons, you have to activate it, and it says it's for free. You don't have to pay the $7.
yeah.
That's Davion's right. Through
Right,
whatever
but what were
your
you
broker
trading
is.
with a while ago on TradingView? Were you logged into TradeAvate or Apex?
On Apex, yes, but if you have like a regular Tradeovate, then you can do that as well. So let me try it. I'm trying it now.
I'm confused. You're on TradingView, right?
Yes.
And you were trading. Were you trading on your brokerage account?
Yes, on Apex.
So why wasn't it real time data? Why did it
Because I had to
automatically?
refresh it. I had to refresh it. That's what
Okay,
I'm doing now.
okay,
That's what I'm
all
doing
right, cool.
now. That's what I'm doing now. So
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
trying.
I'm a little bit behind because I'm not looking at the screens. I'm actually pulling into my driveway, so I'm about to sign in.
Come on, driveway. Okay, delay. Let's see. Oh, S. So what does S mean? Short. So I'm confused on what that means. Hold on. So QQQ, it has a low. So in Q, okay, it's fixed. Won't he do
Okay.
it?
Did you just have to log in through
To the trader
the
bait,
trade?
yeah, and fix everything.
Yep.
So yes, I've had
Yep.
to.
Now what I did was I logged out of TradeAvate and went back into paper trade and it stayed the same. It kept me with the real time data.
Okay, with the short, for sure. Okay. 'Cause this one,
So just
10:30. Yeah. Okay. So we'll just do like that. Okay. Now it's okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, boom, boom,
hold
boom.
up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so now I'm about to
No,
share my okay. Because yeah, that real-time data is like, okay. So you gotta pay attention if you
you
have
gotta have it.
yeah, yeah, if you have a D next to your future, because it's only do it with future. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah, so here we are. Boom. My joint, my trade was still in there. So now it's at a low, right?
Let me see. NQ is at 25082 or
Uh
2507. What the hell is it at? 25074.
25
Where is it at?
117.
Nope, it's at where is it at? It's at 25073 right now. NQ is. Now if you flip the QQQ,
But it's at a low, right?
yeah, it's at a low. But it's gonna go lower than this.
Okay. Boom. My indicator pop out. My indicator be popping out.
hmm Man, look, oh my God, that was so much money. And I saw it. I'm just happy I saw it. I saw it with you. I saw what you were seeing. That's a good enough for me because I was finna get in. Remember I told you I was loading it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Okay.
finna get in. So at least I know my eyeballs working right.
Period. So we got the sorry for the delay. That was crazy. Real time data does matter.
Yes, it does.
I'm trying to
For real.
tell you, you don't want your money to be delayed, honey.
Man.
Right. Yeah, that is crazy. Because you got rising volume. See? And then see how the MACD. Remember I was telling you if it goes like under that MACD, that is a strong push. You see the
Yes, I've been paying attention to that. I've been paying
yeah, like
attention
look
to
at the
that.
MACD though. Bearish, bearish, bearish as bearish can get. That is
That
absolutely
histogram is amazing.
under here. And see how the each line gets longer and longer and longer. And then like the further away this is from that, pushy, pushy.
Mm, mm, mm.
The money going up. Come on, shmoneys. Come on,
Ooh,
shmoney. Keep
ooh,
drippy,
told you
drippy.
just tanking.
So the next level is 25036 for that. So okay, came back in the game. Because that joint was like negative 5,000 on the ads. But won't he do it?
Once they
So
cracked that 800, it was lights out.
listen,
Lights
and
out.
I said that
No,
right.
you did.
I
And
did.
I was just like, and the next level under that was that demand. I'm like, man, they cracked 800, but I just want to see it break through that demand. And second I said that, it flew through that demand and
Boom. Look at that. And
kept
like I
going.
said, if it breaks under that 800, right, which it broke and retested it straight tank mode, and I said underneath the support level, boom, lights out, like it's going.
Lights
And
out.
now it hit my bear TP, which is right here. Boom, come on, high probability setups. That's what it's doing. And it is
It's
going to
steady tanking.
go,
Mm.
yeah, it was probably try to pop back up. So
Yeah.
in that mug. But it was cool. It's cool. So yeah, you look at it, what happened here while we was trying to figure life out. So oh man, okay, so now we can really see three bar play. Woo-hoo. Right there, confluence, right? And another three bar play right here. So delete this because that's when I thought that the price was going up and it clearly did not. So boom, three bar play, walked into another three bar play. Tank, right? Broke, retested the 800. As I stated before, it broke the Asian low, retested the Asian low, and then it broke through the London low, which is right here, broke through the London low, retested the London low, same candle, broke through the 800, retested the 800. My little indicator pops out, sell. That means heavy bearish pressure. And let's not forget this long, crazy candle over here. I mean, hello. That is just like hella confirmation because this indecision last hour was crazy, but right here, this just fell out the sky type vibe. So boom, and now it broke support. Now, underneath support, underneath that 800, break and retest the 800, that is hella bearish, which means the
Hmm.
next level is going to be here. Boom. Now, this is my bearish TP. It broke and retested that. Bam and bam. Now, once it closes underneath the structure point, I'm going to re-enter. Bam. If it close underneath that, I'm in there. But sometimes at lows, it can pull back to make a lower high, and then you can get in and add to your position. But if it breaks the structure point, yeah. 25036 is the next level. Period. Yeah, which looking like it's definitely going to go there. So, uh, yeah, I'm just saying that's what it's looking like. Breaking the support, breaking the resistance. That's when I like to trade, when underneath the support level. Underneath the support level, and this, hello, you got rising volume. See how the volume is rising? Boom, boom, boom. You got 52 seconds left on this candle. Wait for candle closure. Okay, see that MACD pointing down? I give you a greater look. Bam!
Man,
See how it dropping to
everything
the
was
floor like
pointing
that?
down. Everything.
Okay,
See,
underneath
them the
the
type of setups I gotta make sure I wait for. Them perfect ones.
I'm trying to tell you. Them shits
Them
is
perfect ones.
crickety crack crack. So you go, you set it up. And it's like, okay, sell, boom. My take profit would be here upon confluence. Stop loss would be underneath, on top of the previous candle. Bam. And I just wait. Bam. Bam. If it breaks that structure, which I do honestly believe it will. Well, not that. Ooh, that's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. Ooh,
22.
ooh. Okay, bam. So yeah, that's what
I
we
gotta,
waiting. Like
I
I
gotta
said,
add
close
that
underneath it.
920 candle. Yeah, I gotta add that. That'll be the 1020 candle on yours. I gotta add that to my A plus plays, man. I broke through the 800
Oh yeah.
and had
Yeah.
the rising volume, then had the TTM, then had the
Mm-hmm.
MACD and the RSI down. That was and that 1 hour candle was red. That's an A plus
Come
little
on,
setup
somebody.
there. Everything was hitting.
Everything was pointing bearish. That's what I was saying. Yep.
Everything
And
was.
look,
Not one thing was point. Not one thing was pointing bullish.
nope.
One
It's
thing was
under all of
pointing
the
bullish.
EMA. So this is 200, the 50, the
Mm-hmm.
VWAP 20. And once it's underneath all of those, and then it come under the President of the United States, broke and retested that straight to the floor. I'm just saying. Boom. Yeah. So it might, like I said, from here, it could pull back to make a lower high. Or if it breaks the structure, it's gonna go lower. So one of the two things should, would happen. I keep hitting that stupid button. Connected. Boom. I'm not even looking at this one. Okay. And that is going it. So, cause see, I like that. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, and remember the stochastics. Ha.
Yep.
If they under 20, stay in the
Mm-hmm.
trade. Boom. That's why I come to this screen and look at the stochastic. If I was in the trade, yeah. Under 20, stay in the trade. Both of them gotta be under the 20. See, it's at 9, 8, and
Mm-hmm.
16. Yeah, that means probably about to fall again. If we call back under 20, over 20, then little suspect. Yeah, yeah. Probably about to yeah, that thing at 7. It's about to fall. 8, 16. Looking at them numbers. The numbers going up or down. I'm just saying, they going up or down. That's because they fighting. Where the fight at? Let's look at the fight. Fight. So, is it more red than blue? Uh-oh. About to hop on in. Be that boot, be that boot. But, whoa. Bam. So, that's going to be my, see how I indicated pressure. I said if it breaks the structure, boom, straight to the target. Now, let's watch it happen. Now, why? Because bearish sentiment on this crazy candle, breaking structure, pressure is activated. Boom. MACD is pointing all the way down underneath the 50 on the purple. And then all the way under there, that is bearish. Right. Right, right, right. Like, look at it. Like, I mean, come on. We're gonna watch it happen. It's probably the last trade 'cause I gotta hop off I gotta zoom at 11. So this is gonna be the last trade. We had a couple hiccups, but
Reading on
yeah.
the market was solid though. The reading was solid.
Come on, friend. Yeah. We love to see it happen. That part. Just too anything. Oh. Ah, my smoothie is so good. So good. So fine.
Mhm.
The and that news. The petroleum status report came out.
Mm-mm.
That's what's pushing the market. Thank you, petroleum status. Woo! Come on, Cletus. And oh, we gotta watch the fight. 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 It's the boxing match. I see you. Just come on, let the come on, let the come on. Okay, Mr. Low. Mr. Low. Mr. Low. Don't do that. Come on. Where the sellers at? Where them fans at? Where them
There it
fans?
is.
Yeah. Come on, sellers. Oh no. Don't do that. Them buyers trying to come in, you seeing? That's why I like watching the boxing
Yep,
match.
yeah, they trying to step in.
What you guys doing? What are you doing? Let's wait on it. They trying to come back. Come back too much now. We can't give them back too much. How much time? Oh, that's a new candle. Okay, but look, bearish candles pushing down. Where is stochastic at? Okay, see these numbers over here? As long as they are under 20, both of them stay in the trade. Hello, they are under 20, stay in. Oh, that's at 2. That's ugly. Oh, that's ugly. Oh, that is ugly. Woo! Man. Come on, somebody. TP smash on their ass. Okay. It's smashy. Smashy, smashy. We gonna watch it hit. 25036. That's where it's going, y'all. Broke the structure. Let's look at what happened. The TP smash. Like, I mean, listen. Listen, Linda. We're gonna watch it happen. And then we're gonna hop off. We're gonna come all the way down. 25036. It's gonna come right there. Come on to mama. Come on. Come on. Pressure. You see the pressure? Look at all this volume right here. But let's look at the
Yeah.
MACD. Look at the MACD. I mean, come on. Come on. Look at that. My man's is pointing all down here. So all the way back here. You know what? Let me put this line right here. Because when this happened, boo, look at this. This is going straight like that. You see how far away from each other they are? Boom. That is ludicrous. That's ludicrous. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's gonna fall. Look at the numbers. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Yeah. That's going to keep falling. Keep falling. Keep falling. That's ugly. That's ugly. That is ugly. Okay. Boom. Right there. Come on, you don't have far to go, sir. Just come on. Because that is ugly and that is ugly. Bam. That's all we're waiting on. Now, where did that happen for that? Oh, way up there on that 3-bar play. Woo! So the TDI had crossed on this on this second 3-bar play. It crossed on that. Oh god. So it had crossed on this 3-bar play. So basically the TDI was saying, okay, that's the true shift was here because the first 3-bar play was bearish, bearish, then another set, bearish, bearish, and then it just fell, broke, retest the 800. It's all under all three EMAs right there, right? It's probably gonna reject a little bit. So let's see how we do today. Okay, that's how we did. Well, because my joy was effing up. Boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. My joint was messing up. All right. That's cool. The good outweigh the bad. So now you ask for all the fixings and stuff like that. So now we iron it out. It's fine. So 036. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna have to hop off. So that's where I'm predicting NQ is going to 036. Did it get there yet? Oh, what happened to ES? What did I do? What happened to ES? ES, ES, ES. Okay, well, see, ES did the same thing. So, look, let me break this down right quick, and then we're out of here, folks. All right, perfect trade. So, let's look at what happened, right? On ES. Remember, when we was looking at this, it was just like consolidated. I'm like, definitive direction is underneath support. I like it underneath support. Why? Because that is a definitive direction. Bearish, right? So let's look at what happened. This is the range, support and resistance. It tapped and retest bearish candles. That's all we're interested in entertaining, because once you see a breakdown, the breakout strategy, breakdown, retest of support, right? Went straight to the next target, which was 6760. Okay, went right through that. Okay, all under all three of the EMAs, and then it broke and retested the 800 EMA. I told y'all that's like the president of the United States. It breaks that, lights MFing out. Period, point blank, period, nothing to discuss. And then all of the other relatives, they was first. But then once you come here, this right here, once you break that, retest, boom, right to the low. That's A plus setup. That's could have been 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, like a $4,000 trade right there. Boom. That's it. That's all you needed. Bam. And look, that's pressure right there. And then the next level on ES is here. Bam. That's where I predicted ES to go. 6, 7, 11. Y'all can come back and mark my words. That's where I'm predicting it's going, which I do believe is going. So we can come back. I'm going to screenshot it in the chat, because y'all got to hop off. And then NQ, bam. That's where I'm predicting NQ to go. 25036. And that's just point blank, period. So it's going to go up and make a lower high. It could come back and retest the support, or it just can make a lower high. Or it could come all the way back up here to the 50, like sometimes it does, and then shoot back down. I doubt if it go all the way back up there. But who knows? You know what I'm saying? I ain't psychic. But come back up to the support line, boom. That's what's going to happen. So I had a couple hiccups today. But it's all good. But I still was on a point with the trades, so the ones that I did say. Them other ones, I don't know what was going on. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all got something out of that. Anybody learn anything? Like that's what my pastor said. Did y'all get something out of that? Or no?
I did. So you said underneath the 20 EMA, to stay in the trade?
Underneath, yeah. Once, where did it happen at? Wait a minute. Let me do this real quick. 1 second. No, not that. Hold on. I want the drop down. So once back here. See where I circled this right here? Well, I'm sorry, right here.
Uh-huh.
Once the 20 is underneath the 50, an embarrassed sentiment. So, and look how the candles just followed it. And then once it officially went underneath there, that's when it went right to the 200. So I'm gonna put
Okay.
them.
Gotcha.
Yep. And then once it's underneath the 20, you see how they like low-key cross right here?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Boom. Yeah. Break, retest, lights out. And that's what we've been waiting for, is the break of support. So once it broke support, went right to my bear TP, right? Tap, retest, retested that 3 times, boom, and this went. And now, this is my prediction right here, 25036. It's going to make a lower high. And once you see the lower high, you can get in on a bearish candle lower than the lower high and ride it right back down, or you can draw up the fib to give you your targets. Either way, tomato. They're both going to work as long as the hourly candle is bearish, long as the MACD is red.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Yeah. Everybody.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. This was great.
Was
This
it?
time next week?
Possibly.
All right. Peace out.
Yeah, no, it's all good. I'm gonna put the recording in the chat too, because I hate that real time data was messing up in the middle of the freaking
It's all
trade.
good.
Yeah. But nevertheless, my analysis wasn't delayed.
Hey.
Period. So
Damian, I'll see you in the charts later.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
All right.
for sure. And I might hop on later this evening.
Oh, great.
Yeah, probably. Well, I gotta. Yeah, more like
I
9 because
know you're a busy woman, so
yeah, I got 3 Zooms a day. My
I
joint
kind of
back,
figured
back, back, back. Yeah, I'm
you be making that
probably.
anyway.
I'm
That's
gonna hit
off.
y'all like 9 and see what you're doing. Oh, and by the way, y'all
Uh-huh.
see this? This is a pattern right here. Anybody know what the name of this pattern is on a 1 hour time frame? And then we're gonna go $10 to whoever gets it.
Ooh, let me go look.
No, too late. 5, 4. Man, that's why you gotta get to know these candlestick patterns, man. This is a pin bar right here. So it's just a bearish pin bar play. Watch. Watch it.
That was on the hourly
There.
you had that?
Huh? It's on a high probability setup.
No,
Uh
I'm asking if that was on the hourly chart.
yeah, actually, Morning Star. It looks like a morning star. Images. Images. Oh well, maybe it's the evening star. I get them confused. Evening, probably shoot. And it's a pin bar one. Oh, look at me, can't spell. Bless me. Evening star. See, see, see what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Hello?
Yep. I see it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Boom. See? Boom. Hello. Is that the pin bar? Uh, yeah, pin bar. That's high probability setup because it's that pin bar is just telling you like that thing about to tank. That's why the candlestick pattern is so clutch. Or see, there's the lower high. Hello. Once the candle closes underneath the body of this one, you guys can get in and ride that mug down here. 25,036, and that could be a couple thousand for you right quick. Throw me a 20 or something. Because it's going there. Point blank, period. A low high. All right. Work on your predictions. Work on your predictions. Work on your predictions and candlestick patterns as well, because they do tell you things. This absolutely tells you that the market is about to tank. All right. With that being said, thanks for coming out. God bless you guys, and we'll see you on the next Zoom. Okay.